Yeah. Who's pumped? If you guys enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Gang. Start this off like this, guys. Easy, simple, cheap, high quality, restaurant quality, high fine dining quality, surf and turf steak dinner. Let me show you how to make it at home. Don't blink. Let's start off like this. Mashed potatoes. So I got some potatoes here. Take your peeler. Just peel them away, guys. Be careful because I always cut my fingers while doing this. So don't go my speed. Once you got that nice and peeled, just gonna have these. Just gonna rinse this. Then we're just gonna boil this. Let's saute some whole mushrooms. So I got a nub of butter there. In goes my mushroom, a little salt, pepper, and we're just gonna let that sweat. Once you got that nice and sauteed, I'm just gonna pull them out, guys. Next, let's prepare our fried shrimp for our surf and turf. So I got 2 pounds of shrimp. I'm gonna crack in 2 eggs. I'm gonna season this with some salt, some fresh cracked pepper, got some cornstarch. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of it going in. I'm gonna take my shrimp. I'm gonna throw everybody in the pool. I don't care if you can swim. Just get it. Cooking time, 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds up. Drain whatever it is. Everybody out of the pool. For the shrimp sauce, I got 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sweet chili sauce, some salt, some pepper, then mix that in, guys. Potatoes are done, so I'm just gonna do a nub of butter going in, 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, some salt. Get your masher, go to town, guys. Caught you guys. I'll never let you guys fall. I'm gonna taste this for seasoning. If it needs more seasoning, add and adjust for your own liking. Just because it's a little cold out, I'm gonna grill it inside. So I got a nice piece of New York strip here, which I'm just gonna throw on. I like my steak mid-rare, so I'm just gonna leave it on for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So this seasoning right here is Montreal steak spice. The best steak spice you can ever purchase, guys. If you guys have not tried Montreal steak spice, I highly recommend you guys try this out. What's up? Just gonna flip my steak, guys. I'm gonna do a nub of butter on top. And I'm gonna do some more Montreal steak spice on the other side. So 3 minutes on the other side, then we'll pull it off. I'm gonna take the steak and we'll just throw it onto our plate here. Let that butter melt on there. Remember that shrimp that we had? Just gonna add a few here. Our sauce. Take your shrimp. Throw it on top, guys. So I got some sauteed mushroom. Throw this onto the side. Lastly, take your mash scooper or your ice cream scooper. Take your mash. Do a mash piece right there. You know what, I'm feeling a little mashy today, so 2 scoops of mash. Lastly, just some chives, guys. Chives on the mushroom, chives on the shrimp. There it is. This is your $25 to $35 steak meal at your favorite steakhouse. Made at home, guys. When are you guys gonna make it at home and save some money? It's your $25 to $35 or $20 to $35. Yeah, I say roughly around $25 to $35 plus including tip, $40 dinner meal. Made at home, guys. Come closer. This is your perfect surf and turf dinner here, guys. A little shrimp, quick time. You guys got it. Nice. I'm not even sure why I put you guys close, but I'll palm. All right, come closer this time. No, not cool for you guys just to dive into my food like that. All right, let's get into this. A piece of that New York quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. A palm. Mm-hmm. Mushroom, quick time. Nice. Mm-hmm. Mash. Mm-hmm. Build that flavor in your mouth. Quick time. Nice. Mmm. Just perfect. Mm-hmm. You can't beat a simple steak dinner meal. I should have shown you the time on how fast I made this. This took me about 40 minutes to do. Mm-hmm. Treat yourself. Or treat your family with this dinner right here. After you make this, they will question the authenticity of where this came from. And just tell them, made at home. Save money and get more. That's what it's all about. Saving money and getting more. Mmm. Wow. I love doing this with my steak right here. Just letting all that beautiful juice get sucked back into this like a sponge. Mmm. Mmm. Everybody needs to try this recipe out. I just love that Montreal steak spice. Out of all steak spice, Montreal steak spice takes it all. Mmm. One thing I hate doing, going to a restaurant and buying something I already know how to make. And spending 2 times as much as I can make it at home. Oh, this whole plate, guys, calculation, $7. $7 a plate, plus there's more. Wow. Mmm. Guys, shrimp and some of that mash. Nice. The shrimp is tangy, sweet, savory, a little spicy. No, it's not spicy, but if you guys can't handle spice, it's probably spicy for you guys. Mmm. Mmm. I should have just put 1 scoop of mash. This mash is filling. Just perfect. This last bite's for you guys. Look at that. A little mushroom. A little shrimp. This is the whole experience of surf and turf. All in one bite. Oh. You know what? There it is. Surf and turf in 1 fork here. Yes, got it. Nice. Palm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's amazing. Why aren't you guys cooking this? Why are you guys still going out to your favorite steakhouse? Why not make it at home and save some money? Mm-hmm. That extra money can go anywhere, guys. You get new perm. You get gold teeth. You can travel. Mmm. You can use that extra money to buy your mom something nice. Buy your mom something nice while enjoying a discounted steak dinner by you, made by you. That's a win-win situation right there. Mm-hmm. That definitely is a win-win situation. Get a full stomach while buying your mom a nice gift from all the money you saved from all the cooking you did. Mmm. Just amazing. The best steak dinner you guys will ever make. I promise you. Food and life is such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up on your bomb shirts. Like this, share this. Peace out.